Temporary Leaving and Final Arrival by Jim Wungramyao Kasom. I am always leaving, even in my arrival. I am a believer in second homes, yet nativity always being the first love. I leave off a trolley bag half unpacked, the other half filled, leaving on my mind to ease the pain when the time comes, which is often at hand. I have scars from when I was in kindergarten, memories of waking up in a new bed, starting over when life had just begun. Arrival has never been the same since. I pinch myself to make sure I am in the present as I wake up in my old bed. Our ancestors believe those who love home make their final rest in a foreign land. Dying anywhere but home is the loneliest of thoughts. I live as if I am homeless, a ruse to fool death and time. I tell myself that all leaving is temporary, leading up to one final arrival. We are permanently moving to bigger towns, always to return like we never left. I am good at ignoring what I cannot have at present. I live with this want hidden even to myself. I am a believer in second homes, of homecomings and slow retirement by Jim Wungramyao Kasom.